Choo-choo train. Bam. I can cheese a certain stage of this one because I know how. Because I'm that good. That's right. Not this one, but the one after it. Whoa, you stupid little... Okay, that's what I wanted to do. Oh, I can... Yes, please. Thank you. Okay. That was close. No, what? I went under the soap? That's kind of stupid. There we go. Awesome. Sick. Now for this one, I literally just gotta stand right here. See? Skeleton hands can't hit me. Uh-oh. Never mind. Literally just aim upwards and I'll be fine. Look at me go. Look at me go. I'm doing so good. Look at these insane dodges. Whoa. I'm going crazy. I'm popping off with these dodges. Oh my lordy lord. Oh, look at me go. Alright, now this one, I have to stand in the middle. And then whichever way they're about to go, like, and then I just go boom. You know? It's that simple. And see, look at that. Oosh! I hate that noise that they make. Oh, that was perfect. That's not what I wanted to do. I hate that noise so much. It's so weird. Oh, he's gone. Go, go. Thank you. Alrighty, let's get this on. Whoops. Go. Ow. But good thing I have another one. Three times? Will it actually take 3 times? Come on. 4? Oh. 4 times. But I did it! Let's go! Woo! I did it! Let's go, baby! Ow. Is that an A I see? A-, I'll take it! Woo!